Welcome back to this video. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your Telegram app. Next thing you need to do is to go ahead and click on your channel. Go ahead and click on your channel name. Click on channel settings. Click on direct message. Make sure you turn on this. So you can decide to add price tag. So your channel will be receive 85% of the selected fee, starting from 0 to this for each incoming message. So you can decide to charge any certain amount. Once you set, click on this particular check mark, and it's going to be update right here. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use your Telegram channel, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.